Okay guys, so he's gonna try hyper right now. I'm just recording to see if he falls or not.
Alright guys, it's here. Boosted Stealth. I've been waiting for so long for this. And also confirmed, Boosted does actually ship stealths. Nah, I'm kidding guys. We've all known that Boosted is actually having issues shipping their stealths. But yeah, here we go. Unboxing. Don't usually do these things, but hey, there's a first for everything. Gonna use this because I don't have an unboxing knife. But yeah, this should do. Sorry for the video quality, guys. A box inside a box. Awesome. Look at that beauty. Oh wait, no, that's not a stealth, that's another box. Okay. Oh, we have another box. Okay. But this time, hopefully, we should be able to just open it. Oh, there we go. Is it? Is this the right side? Ooh. Wow. Damn, this is beautiful. Oh my god. This is so different than what I've seen in videos. Wow. Can't wait to ride this. If you guys want a review from me, just hit that comment down below, and I may be able to post a review video. I don't usually do reviews, but yeah, there's a first for everything. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Wow, this is so cool. Look at those wheels. Definitely, I can feel an improvement on these. Wow. I had a boosted Duo, V2 Duo, but this is another level. Let's grab this in the meantime and see what's inside. Well, at least Boosted is doing good in representation. I mean, I didn't get this for my Boosted V2 Duo. Pretty cool. Probably instructions, maybe. Yeah, it looks like instructions. I'm gonna put that aside. And voila. I can't tell you guys how awesome this controller is. Unless you already have a Boosted, you can't really know how awesome this controller is. Best controller in the market. Let's see what else there's in the box. Okay. Let's see. Some stickers. And this is hard to do with one hand. Oh, some extra belts. Well, guys can see it, right? There's 2 belts inside. And some tools to replace the belts with. There's supposed to be 2 screws inside too. Yeah, I can feel them right down here. Yep, there they are. And instructions for replacing the belts. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, Boosted. They're definitely improving in that area. So what's this? Ooh. This looks cool. Wow, nice. What is this? Ooh. That's a tool belt. That's a tool kit. So when you have to replace your board, you definitely should have a tool with you. Look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, what's in this little baggie? Okay, charger for the remote. Okay, awesome. Let's put that aside. And those are the cables and the charger. Cable for the charger and the charger. And that's everything. Well, that's pretty cool. And let's turn on our baby. Wait. Okay, there we go. This is so hard to do with one hand, guys. Sorry for the zoom ins. Okay, let's see. Please be charged. Please be charged. Right on. Probably 75%. But yeah, we're definitely gonna be writing this like in a minute or two. So yeah, if you guys like the unboxing, please hit that like button. Look at those. It's supposed to be steel in here now. On my V2 it was plastic, but this, well, I don't know if it's steel or anything, but I definitely know that it's not plastic. And one of the reasons is to be stealthier, quieter. Other than that, bigger wheels. Look at those. That's the difference. Bigger wheels, extended range battery, so 14 miles of range, and improved, I don't know what this is called, but these are supposed to be reinforced. And yeah, that's the biggest difference. And the board deck. The deck is supposed to be of a composite material. It's supposed to be a better quality and will give you better miles without tear and wear. So this is hyper mode. Check this out, guys. Oh my god, this sounds awesome. Can't wait to try this out. Alright guys, so I've been riding the board for 30 minutes to an hour now, and I can definitely say that there's a big difference between the Boosted Dual and the Boosted Stealth. I haven't ridden the Boosted Dual Plus yet, but the Boosted Dual did come with 3 modes. The highest being Expert, which was 20 miles per an hour, and the Boosted Stealth has 5 modes, and the 5th one being Hyper mode, which goes to up to 24 miles an hour. So that's a big bump, especially if you've ridden booster boards before. I mean, 4 miles an hour is a big difference in speed, and you can definitely sense that when I got into the board and started riding. I could definitely experience some speed wobbling at first, but maybe 10 minutes into riding the board, it's gotten pretty good. It's a pretty good learning curve, and it's very exciting at first, and it's still exciting now, and I think it's gonna be exciting for years to come, hopefully. So yeah, the deck is not as flexible as the Boosted V2, but you can definitely feel the flexibility over there. It's not too far away from the loaded deck that we usually ride, but yeah, it's a pretty good material, and I don't know, it's different, and it's different in a good way. So yeah, I think that concludes my review. I'm pretty amateur in reviews, so please comment down below if you like the video, and if you want me to do other reviews, or if you don't, I would definitely appreciate your comment. And yeah, as always, have a nice day, everyone.